Hello fellow chartists, welcome to my YouTube channel. I am D Chartist, and before I get into the technical analysis, the chart analysis, I just want to mention that earlier today I made a technical analysis video explaining how I trade certain patterns. I had about 3 different patterns that I look for, and I explain it all in this video. Okay, so definitely check out this video on how the chartists trade these patterns. It'll definitely help you to understand my technical analysis on my videos for SPY and QQQ and stuff a lot better, and also it'll help you improve on your own skills so that you can trade with or without me. Okay, so let's get into this technical analysis. All right, first thing we got here is SPY. Now as you can see, SPY closed above the 5-day moving average, okay, which is bullish. It's bullish. All right, so we got SPY in this triangle pattern, as you can see. Okay, so there's 2 scenarios that I want you guys to watch out for. Okay, please do not make a move or take a trade unless you see one of these setups or one of these scenarios take place. Okay, so tomorrow's support level will be at 464.5 right here. If SPY loses that level, 464.5, we're going to see more downside, probably to the 20-day moving average or down to my price target of 457. That's the zone that I will be looking for buying opportunities. Okay, as long as 464.5 hold, we have more room to the upside and possibly a breakout to the upside to the upper Bollinger Band. That's not 472 to the 473 range. Okay, guys? So watch out for those 2 scenarios. Watch out for the breakout. All right? The breakout here, potentially tomorrow, is around 468. So if SPY closes above 468 or above 469, that's a good sign that we're going to head up to the upside. But definitely watch out for the false breakout. If we get a false breakout where SPY goes up and then the next day it comes back down, that's going to be very bearish. Follow the price action. Same thing with the bearish scenario. If SPY gets a false breakdown, but then it recaptures the trend line, that's going to be very bullish. And market makers could be looking to push it up to the 472 to 473 price target. Okay, guys? So don't put too much weight into the news. I know a lot of you guys are also following the seasonality, but keep in mind, a lot of retail traders are looking at that same seasonality. And if we are noticing the seasonality, market makers will definitely notice that seasonality. And they can use that information to fake us out, to make us think bearish, because that's what the seasonality said. And then boom, they fake us on, push it right back up and take all our money, because that's what they want. They don't want us to win. Okay, guys? So if you're going to follow anything, follow the price action. Don't let your feelings get in the way. Don't let your opinions get in the way. Don't let the news get in the way. Don't let nothing get in the way of you making your money. Price action is the #1 indicator. Okay, guys? So I'm going to go over the scenario one more time. A breakout from this triangle pattern. All right, so SPY closes above 468 to 469. That's very bullish and puts 473 in play. Okay, watch out for a false breakout. If we get a false breakout, that's very bearish. You can bet to the downside. Same thing with the false breakout. Okay, if we lose 464.5, my next price target is to the 20-day moving average or to the 457 price target. And that is where I will look for buying opportunities. But if we get a false breakout and then the next day SPY recaptures the trend, that's a big sign that we're going to head to the upside to the 473 price target. Okay, guys? If you didn't hear what I just said, please just watch that part again, okay? So that's what I got for SPY. Those are the scenarios that I want you guys to watch out for. QQQ's price to action is very similar to the SPY right now. It closed just above the 5-day moving average, okay? It's also in the triangle pattern, as you can see. All right, so tomorrow's support level will be at 392. QQQ below 392 is very bearish. It could send it back down to the 20-day moving average, maybe a little lower to the 382 price target that I have for QQQ in a bearish scenario. Okay, so if we lose 392, bearish. Well, actually 391.5, okay? Bearish. All right, and also watch for the false breakdown. If we lose this trend line and then we get it right back, you want to buy the recapture and bet to the outside with a full 6 price target. Okay, and of course, if we get the breakout, QQQ above 398, that's a breakout. Watch out for the false breakout. If we get a false breakout, that's very bearish. You can bet to the downside. If we don't get a false breakout, you can ride the wave up to 406. Okay, guys? Take a look at the VIX. Okay, we got this false breakout. You know, these false breakouts, they work. Got this false breakout out of this channel, the blue lines, as you can see. And then the next day, it closed right back below. Very bearish. And then Friday, they got crushed all the way down and closed just a little low below the 20-day moving average. So the VIX is looking bearish. Okay, a bearish VIX is a bullish SPY. Okay, guys? So moving on to ARKK. I talked about the inverted head and shoulder pattern, of course. But still, you can see this false breakdown right here where the ARKK broke down from the 50-day. The next day it closed again in the inside day candle pattern right here. But what happened the very next day on Friday? We recaptured the 50-day moving average. That's some bullish price action. However, if you look at the moving averages, we still got a lot of resistance and levels that we got to get to. So the best scenario, if you're bullish to the upside, because the inverted head and shoulder pattern is a bullish scenario. It's a bullish pattern, I mean. The best thing you can do is wait for the neckline to get broken. This is around 120.5, or wait for ARKK to get back above all the moving averages. The highest moving average right now is around 121.4. Okay, ARKK above that level, then it puts my price targets in play of 126, then 132. Okay, guys, keep it that simple. No need to complicate anything. Just keep it that simple. Now moving on to Bitcoin. Bitcoin has been choppy, been chopping sideways. As you can see here, we need Bitcoin to get back above all the moving average, but it's struggling to get back above the 5-day moving average. Right there. So 5-day moving average is currently at 64.4K. Right? We're not that far below it. But as you can see, remember I tell you guys, in a strong bear trend or bearish price action, you get a lot of rejection from the 5-day moving average. As you can see, that's pretty much what we are getting so far. So we need Bitcoin to change this around and at least close 2 times above the 5-day moving average. Okay? Now there's something I want you to notice. I'm going to move the moving average. Remember this. We had an area of imbalance right here. This green candle right here. So what an area of imbalance means is this big body candle represent, it means that there's too many call orders. Okay? You look to the left, you look to the right, there's no wick. That means this whole section, this whole area was imbalanced because it was nothing but buy orders. So obviously the SPY came back down. Not only did it test the breakout level, and I think it also tested the 20-day. It got a little lower than the 20-day. All right, but it did test the breakout level, which is here, this blue resistant line right here that's now acting as support. So we needed to come back down and give some balance to this area because it was nothing but buy orders. All right, 50% of it covered, that's good enough. All right, so this area of imbalance is taken care of. Now it's balanced. All right, so like I said, we need Bitcoin to trade back above 64.4K, which is where the 5-day moving average is. Okay, above that, put 67K in play, and then my next price target of 71K. Okay, guys, so I hope this helped. I hope you guys have a good luck this week. Remember, follow the price action. And if you're having trouble, how do you follow the price action? Right? Check out my my latest video on how to trade like the chartist. Okay? But remember my scenarios and let it play out. If you forgot already, please rewatch the video. Okay, guys? So have a relaxed Sunday, and I hope you guys make a shit ton of money tomorrow.